Hello, students. Today we will read a story from the book, chapter number 13, and the topic of the story is Those Precious Little Words. Those Precious Little Words. This story is based on a little boy whose name was Ashley, and the boy was born with a mental disorder. So, let's get started. Ashley was a little boy who was born with a mental disorder. He was a special child, he was not normal. Mental disorder means mind was not normal. जब किसी का मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सही नहीं रहता है, that is mental disorder. He was a short, cheerful little boy with soft, dark, shining hair. He had a very fair complexion and light blue eyes. He grew up knowing he was not the same as other children. Means there was a little boy whose name was Ashley, and he was not a normal child like others because he was born with a mental disorder. He looked like a short, cheerful with soft, dark, shining hair. He had a very fair color. Complexion means color. He had a very fair color and light blue eyes. Ashley was knowing that he was not the same. He was not normal like other children. He is different from other children. In fact, when he went to school, the other children would not play with him and called him crazy. However, poor Ashley knew this was his life and that he must get used to such behavior. Behavior means manner, behavior. Somehow he realized and felt that except for his parents and his sister, no one else really loved or cared about him. When Ashley went to school, the other children would not play with him. They called him crazy. Ashley was knowing that this was his life. No one will behave normally with him like others. Ashley was knowing that this was his life. No one will behave normally with him. He realized that except his parents, his sister, no one else here loved or cared about him. ये कहानी एक छोटे से बच्चे पर आधारित है जिसका नाम एशले था, जिसका मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सही नहीं था. एशले खुश रहने वाला लड़का था जिसके हेयर सॉफ्ट, डार्क और शाइनिंग थे. उसका कलर फेयर था, गोरे रंग का था, जिसकी लाइट ब्लू आईज थे. वो जैसे जैसे बड़ा हो रहा था उसे पता चल रहा था, उसे ज्ञात हो रहा था कि सभी बच्चे हैं वे उसके जैसे नहीं हैं. वो बाकी और बच्चों से थोड़ा अलग है. जब वो स्कूल जाता था तो सभी बच्चे उसके स्कूल में उसके साथ खेलते नहीं थे, उसे चिढ़ाते थे, उसे क्रेजी बुलाते थे. और एशले को ये पता था कि यही उसकी लाइफ है और उसे इन सब चीज़ों को स्वीकार करना है. उसे ये फील होता था, उसे ये रियलाइज़ होता था कि उसके पेरेंट्स और उसके सिस्टर को छोड़ कर के बाकी कोई जो ऐसा नहीं है जो उसकी परवाह कर सके, उसे प्यार कर सके. Then one day Mrs. Brown, his class teacher, announced that the annual indoor games competition would be held. Every child had to take part unless they were mentally or physically unfit. No excuses would be accepted. Announced means made known. Announced करना, बताना दूसरों को. Accepted means स्वीकार किया. Accept, स्वीकार करना. Then one day One day in his school, his class teacher Mrs. Brown announced that the annual indoor games competition would be held in their school. The rules of the annual indoor games were that every child of the school had to take part. Every child had to take part whether they were mentally or physically fit or unfit. No excuses would be accepted. मिसेस ब्राउन ने बताया, जो उनकी क्लास टीचर थी, एशले की जो क्लास टीचर थी, उनका नाम मिसेस ब्राउन था। उन्होंने क्लास में अनाउंस किया कि उनके स्कूल में एनुअल इंडोर गेम्स कंपटीशन होने वाले हैं, जिसमें सभी बच्चों को पार्टिसिपेट करना है, चाहे वो मेंटली, मानसिक या शारीरिक रूप से फिट हो या ना हो, कोई भी बहाने नहीं चलेंगे। Mrs. Brown made a list of the names of all the boys taking part, including Ashley's. Ashley was thrilled. Thrilled means excited and happy. बहुत खुश होना, excited होना. Ashley was thrilled and went home to tell his parents. They were worried for him and decided to meet his teacher the next day. Mrs. Brown, his class teacher Mrs. Brown, made a list of students who were participating in the competition, including Ashley. That day, Ashley was very excited and happy. He told his parents about the annual indoor games competition when he went home. After hearing about the contest, his parents were worried for Ashley and they decided to meet his teacher the next day. मिसेस ब्राउन ने उन सभी विद्यार्थियों का नाम लिखा जिन लोगों ने उस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। उस लिस्ट में एशले का भी नाम था। एशले बहुत खुश था और वो जब अपने घर जाता है, घर पर जाने पर वो अपने माता पिता को अपने एनुअल इंडोर गेम्स कंपटीशन के बारे में बताता है कि जिसमें उसका भी नाम इंक्लूड किया गया है। यह सुनकर के उनके पेरेंट्स को थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, क्योंकि एशले तो थोड़ा मेंटली डिसऑर्डर होता रहता है, उसका माइंड नॉर्मल नहीं रहता, तो इसलिए वे थोड़े भयभीत होते हैं, उसको लेकर के चिंता करने लगते हैं कि कैसे ये कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। और तब उनके पेरेंट्स, एशले के पेरेंट्स, ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट डे वे उसके क्लास टीचर से जाकर के बात करेंगे इसके बारे में। She was a kind lady with a sweet smiling face. Every child in her class loved her and most especially Ashley. He just adored her. Adored means loved greatly. Loved greatly. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करना, किसी को मानना। However, when his parents went to meet her and told her about their fears, because they knew about his problems. Problems means pareshani, samasya. Because they knew about his problems, she spoke very gently to them. She means Mrs. Brown. His class teacher spoke very gently to them. She said, I understand your fears, but Ashley is a lovely child and I do not want him to feel left out. Hence, I have decided he will take part in the hearing contest. Mrs. Brown was a very kind lady. Every child, including Ashley, loved her greatly. However, when his parents went to meet Mrs. Brown in the school to talk about Ashley, because they were worried, because Ashley's parents were worried for him. Mrs. Brown spoke very gently to them. That Ashley is a lovely child and I do not want him to feel left out. And I have decided that Ashley will take part in the hearing contest. यहाँ पर मिसेस ब्राउन के बारे में बताया गया है, मिसेस ब्राउन के बारे में, कि वो बहुत ही काइंड लेडी थी, हमेशा खुश रहने वाली थी और सभी बच्चे इंक्लूडिंग एशले उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते थे। जब एशले के माता पिता उनके एशले के स्कूल गए उनके क्लास टीचर से मिलने के लिए, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करने के लिए, तब एशले की क्लास टीचर ने बोला कि उन्हें घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। एशले एक बहुत ही प्यारा बच्चा है और मैं ये नहीं चाहती हूँ कि उसे ये फील हो कि उसे कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करने दिया गया है। इसलिए उन्होंने डिसाइड किया है कि एशले भी पार्टिसिपेट करेगा और उस कॉन्टेस्ट का नाम होगा हियरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट। Hearing contest. This was a contest where every participant had to go up on the stage and the judge would whisper something into his ear as softly and quickly as possible. Participant means those taking parts. पार्टिसिपेंट जो लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, किसी भी फंक्शन में, किसी भी कॉन्टेस्ट में जो लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं, दैट इज उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? पार्टिसिपेंट। दिस वॉज अ कॉन्टेस्ट वेयर एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट हैड टू गो अप ऑन द स्टेज एंड द जज वुड विस्पर समथिंग इनटू हिज ईयर एज सॉफ्टली एंड क्विकली एज पॉसिबल। Now Ashley could not hear so well, but he took part all the same. He decided to do his best. मिसेस ब्राउन उनके पेरेंट्स को बताती हैं कि यह एक ऐसा कॉन्टेस्ट है जिसमें सभी बच्चे स्टेज पर एक एक करके चढ़ेंगे और जज जो होंगे, जो जजेस होंगे, वे लोग उन बच्चों के कान में कुछ बोलेंगे जितनी जल्दी, मतलब सॉफ्टली और क्विकली जैसे ही पॉसिबल होगा, वो उनके कानों में कुछ बोलेंगे और उन बच्चों को जैसे कि एशले सही से सुन नहीं सकता है, तो उन बच्चों को, अगर जो ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो सही से सुन नहीं सकते, उन बच्चों को जब बोला जाएगा उनके कानों में, तो उन बच्चों को ये बताना होगा कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है उनके कानों में। उन बच्चों को उस वर्ड्स को रिपीट करने होंगे। जैसा कि एशले सही से सुन नहीं सकता है और लेकिन उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया है बाकी सभी के जैसे, और वो अपना बेस्ट भी करने की कोशिश करेगा। उसने निश्चय किया है कि वो अपना बेस्ट देगा, तो इसीलिए उसका नाम हियरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट में डाला गया है। He was nervous and felt butterflies in his stomach. He was nervous and felt butterflies in his stomach. Felt butterflies in his stomach means uncomfortable feel करना, uncomfortable feel करना। He wondered if everyone would laugh at him, but the judge, to his utter surprise, turned out to be no other than Mrs. Brown. He was nervous and felt butterflies in his stomach. Ashley felt nervous and butterflies in his stomach. He was feeling uncomfortable. He wondered if everyone would laugh at him, but the judge, to his utter surprise, turned out to be no other than Mrs. Brown. एशले जब स्टेज पर पहुंचा तब वो डरा हुआ था, अनकंफर्टेबल फील कर रहा था और वो सोच रहा था कि अगर मैं नहीं कर पाया तो सभी लोग मुझ पर हंसेंगे। लेकिन वो सरप्राइज था कि उसके लिए जो जज थे, उनके जो जज थे, जो उसे कुछ वर्ड्स जो बोलने थे, उन्हें हियरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट में जो जज उसको कुछ बोलते उसके कानों में, वो जज कोई और नहीं बल्कि मिसेस ब्राउन थी, उनकी क्लास टीचर मिसेस ब्राउन थी। The contest began and each boy went up on the stage. Some repeated the words whispered and some did not. When it came to Ashley's turn, he gathered all his courage. Courage means bravery, sahas. All his courage and walked up on the stage. There was pin drop silence when he moved up close to Mrs. Brown. She whispered some words into his ear. Ashley's heart almost missed a beat. Then, loud and clear, he repeated those precious little words. Precious means invaluable. Then, loud and clear, he repeated those precious little words. I love you like my own little son. Of course, Ashley was a winner. He was thrilled. He was excited and happy. He was thrilled. Those precious little words changed his whole life. Then the contest began. The contest started and each boy went up on the stage and some boy repeated the words, whispered, and some boys did not. कुछ लोग कर पाए, कुछ लोग उन वर्ड्स को रिपीट कर पाए थे और कुछ लोग नहीं कर पाए थे. When it came to Ashley's turn, now it was Ashley's turn. He gathered all his courage. उसने साहस जुटाया and walked upon the stage. When Ashley went upon the stage, there was pin drop silence. There was absolute quiet when he moved up close to Mrs. Brown. जब वो Mrs. Brown के पास पहुंचा तो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल शांति थी. उस जगह पे जो लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे उस कॉन्टेस्ट में, वहाँ पर एकदम पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस हो गया. कोई भी आवाज़ नहीं कर रहा था. She whispered some words. Mrs. Brown whispered some words into Ashley's ear. Ashley's heart almost missed a beat. Ashley का जो हार्ट वो उसने एक बीट मिस कर दिया. Then loud and clear he repeated those precious little words. Then Ashley repeated those precious little words which were whispered by the Mrs. which was repeated. Which were those precious words which were said by Mrs. Brown. Ashley repeated those precious little words, and that were, I love you like my own little son. I love you like my own little son. I love you like my own little son. ये मिसेस ब्राउन द्वारा कहा गया था और उसके कानों में एशले के. तब एशले ने इन वर्ड्स को रिपीट किया. एंड यू नो व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द वर्ड्स that Mrs. Brown whispered into Ashley's ear? Yes, the result of the words were Ashley won the contest. Ashley won the contest, and he was very excited and happy because those precious little words like I love you like my own little son, those precious little words changed Ashley's होल लाइफ. ये जो वर्ड्स थे आई लव यू लाइक माई ओन लिटिल सन मीन्स मैं तुम्हें अपने जो मेरे बच्चे हो उनके जैसे तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ. ये जो वर्ड्स थे जो मिसेस ब्राउन ने एशले के कानों में बोला था, इन वर्ड्स ने एशले की पूरी लाइफ चेंज कर दिया और एशले उस कॉन्टेस्ट का हियरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट का विनर बना. लेट्स डू सम डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज mental disorder. mental mental disorder disorder. Mental disorder means mind was not normal. मानसिक रूप से जब कोई बीमार होता है या मानसिक स्थिति स्वस्थ नहीं होती है, that is mental disorder. Next word is complexion. 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 Next, behavior. 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 Next, accept. except. accept मीन्स छोड़कर, लीविंग आउट. एक एक्सेप्ट होता है, ACCEPT मीन्स स्वीकार करना, एंड दैट इज एक्सेप्ट. EXCEPT एक्सेप्ट. नेक्स्ट, अनाउंस्ड. ANNOUNCED अनाउंस्ड. एनुअल. ANNUAL एनुअल. नेक्स्ट, मेंटली. MENTALLY मेंटली. Physically. PHYSICALLY physically. Next, accepted. ACCEPTED accepted. Next, adored. ADORED adored means loved greatly. Next one is participant. PARTICIPANT participant. Next, nervous. NERVOUS nervous. Courage. Courage. Courage means bravery, sahas. Next, precious. 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 The last one is thrilled. Thrilled. Thrilled means excited. Let's do some word meanings and their use in sentences. First word is mental disorder. Mental disorder means mind was not normal. जो मानसिक स्थिति सामान्य नहीं रहती, that is mental disorder. Mental disorder is very common in people now. Mental disorder is very common in people now. Next, behavior. Behavior means manners. His behavior was very odd. His behavior was very odd. Next, accept. EXCEPT, accept means leaving out. Accept means leaving out. छोड़कर. There is nothing permanent except change. There is nothing permanent except change. Next, announced. Announced means made known. The examination results will be announced in March. The examination results will be announced in March. Next, unfit. Unfit means not suitable. Not suitable. He was unfit for his office. He was unfit for his office. Next word, adore. ADORE, adore means love greatly. Love greatly. Her father absolutely adore her. Her father absolutely adore her. Next, courage. COURAGE, courage means bravery. Sahas, bravery. It takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of courage to admit your mistakes. It takes a lot of courage to admit your mistakes. Precious. PRECIOUS. Precious means invaluable. Invaluable. कीमती. They are wasting the precious time of their life. They are wasting the precious time of their life. Next, thrilled. THRILLED. Thrilled means excited and happy. Excited and happy. He was thrilled to lead the game. He was thrilled to lead the game. Next word, pin drop silence. Pin drop silence means absolute quiet. There is always a pin drop silence in the library. There is always a pin drop silence in the library. Next, feel butterflies in his stomach. Feel butterflies in his stomach means feel uncomfortable. Feel uncomfortable. He had butterflies. He had butterflies in his stomach while waiting for the results of his exam. He had butterflies in his stomach while waiting for the results of his exam. Now let's do question answers. First question is, who was Ashley? Who was Ashley? Answer is, Ashley was a little boy who was born with a mental disorder. Ashley was a little boy who was born with a mental disorder. Next, what did he look like? What did he look like? He was a short, cheerful little boy. He was a short, cheerful little boy with soft, dark, shining hair. He has a very fair complexion and light blue eyes. He has a very fair complexion and light blue eyes. Next question is, what happened when he went to school? What happened when he went to school? Answer is, the other children would not play with him. The other children would not play with him and called him crazy when he went to school. Next question, what were the rules of the annual indoor games? What were the rules of the annual indoor games? The rules of the annual indoor games were that every child had to take part unless they were mentally or physically unfit. The rules of the annual indoor games were that every child had to take part unless they were mentally or physically unfit. Why do you think Ashley loved Mrs. Brown? Why do you think Ashley loved Mrs. Brown? Mrs. Brown was a kind lady. Mrs. Brown was a kind lady with a sweet smiling face. Every child in her class loved her, and most especially Ashley. He just adored her. Mrs. Brown was a kind lady with a sweet smiling face. Every child in her class loved her, and most especially Ashley. He just adored her. Next question is, why did she include Ashley in the competition? Why did she include Ashley in the competition? She included Ashley in the competition because she did not want him to feel left out. She included Ashley in the competition because she did not want him to feel left out. And the last question is, what was the result? What was the result of the words that Mrs. Brown whispered into Ashley's ear? What was the result of the words that Mrs. Brown whispered into Ashley's ear? The result of the words was Ashley won the contest. He was thrilled. Those precious little words changed his whole life. Next exercise is, give one word for the following phrases from the chapter. Give one word for the following phrases from the chapter. जो ये phrases दिए गए हैं, phrases means a group of words. तो जो ये phrases दिए गए हैं उनके लिए हमें चैप्टर में से एक एक वर्ड राइट करने हैं. इन phrases के लिए कोई एक सुटेबल वर्ड है वो हमें राइट करना है. नॉट सुटेबल, फर्स्ट इज नॉट सुटेबल, जिसके लिए क्या होगा, अनफिट, UNFIT, अनफिट. नेक्स्ट, अ ईयरली इवेंट, जो इवेंट ईयरली होते हैं, साल में एक बार होते हैं, दैट इज एनुअल, ANNUAL, एनुअल. नेक्स्ट, टू लव ग्रेटली, इसका क्या होगा, अडॉर्ड, ADORED, अडॉर्ड. नेक्स्ट, दोज हु टेक पार्ट इन अ कॉन्टेस्ट, ऐसे लोग जो किसी कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, भाग लेते हैं, दैट इज पार्टिसिपेंट्स, PARTI, PARTICIPANTS, participants. Next, very happy and excited, means thrilled, THRILLED, thrilled. Complete the following sentences. First sentence is, Ashley felt that except for his parents and dash,
Ashley felt that except for his parents and dash. Second, he was thrilled and went dash. Next, he was nervous and felt dash. The judge, to his utter surprise, was dash. Next, those precious little words changed dash. तो आपको इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए स्टोरी को फिर से रीड करना पड़ेगा और वहाँ पर देखना है कि ये सेंटेंस कहाँ पर दिए गए हैं और इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है कुछ वर्ड्स ऐड करके। जब आप चैप्टर रीड करेंगे, स्टोरी रीड करेंगे, तो आपको वहाँ पर ये सेंटेंसेस मिलेंगे। उनके आगे के जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं कुछ वो यहाँ पर मिसिंग है। आपको उन वर्ड्स को यहाँ पर राइट करके इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है। नेक्स्ट, मैच कॉलम ए विथ कॉलम बी। देयर आर टू कॉलम्स, कॉलम ए एंड कॉलम बी। तो आपको कॉलम ए का जो वर्ड्स दिए गए, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, उन्हें कॉलम बी से मैच करना है। फर्स्ट इज मिसेस ब्राउन वॉज। नेक्स्ट, एशलीज हार्ट। Next, when he moved up closer to Mrs. Brown, Ashley grew up knowing he. And column B में words, group of words है missed a beat, there was pin drop silence, was different and a kind lady. तो हम इसे कैसे मैच करेंगे? Like Mrs. Brown was, तो Mrs. Brown कैसी थी? Mrs. Brown was a kind lady. So we will match Mrs. Brown was with a kind lady. Mrs. Brown was a kind lady. आपको ऐसे ही बाकी के B, C and D को कॉलम B के जो भी आपको लग रहे हैं कि इससे ये मैच होगा तो उससे आपको मैच करना है। Spelling. In each of these sentences, two words are spelled wrongly. Find the words and write their correct spelling. ये जो सभी सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं उन सभी सेंटेंसेस में टू वर्ड्स, दो शब्द की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी गई है। आपको उन दो शब्दों को फाइंड आउट करना है और उनके स्पेलिंग्स को करेक्ट करके राइट करना है। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज Sunday is a holiday, but it is not peaceful. Sunday is a holiday, but it is not peaceful. Next, I saw a terrible accident yesterday. I saw a terrible accident yesterday. Next, in the beginning he had no weapons. In the beginning he had no weapons. Next, television is also called an idiot box. Television is also called an idiot box. And the last one is the kangaroos are found only in Australia. The kangaroos are found only in Australia.